Hi, so today we're going to look at the product rule. So our learning intention is to understand the skill in calculating the derivative of a function using the product rule. We'll be successful if we can determine when to use the product rule and to apply the product rule. So the product rule is dy dx, or y dash, equals v of du dx plus u of dv dx, or u dash equals y dash equals u dash v plus v dash u. Okay. So here we go. We have this function where we have something being multiplied by something else, or something being a product of something else. So automatically we know we're going to use the product rule. Okay. We could obviously expand this out, so that's 3x squared minus 15x plus x minus 5. That's 3x squared minus 14x minus 5. If we can differentiate that, it will become 6x minus 14. Okay, that's a very simple method using just a normal differentiation. But what we want to do is find a method that's quicker, a method that will be quicker for us to apply. Okay. So what happens if I were to let u be 3x plus 1, stuff in the first one, and I let v equals x minus 5? Well, if I was to differentiate each part, u dash would just be 3, and v dash would be 1. So the rule is right up here. Y dash equals u dash v plus v dash u. Okay, so looking at this, we've got u dash, which is 3, and I'm multiplying it by what's happening up here. So I'm multiplying it by x minus 5. I'm going to add it to v dash, which is 1, multiplied by u. Okay. So I get 3x minus 15 plus 3x plus 1, which ends up being 6x minus 14, which is the same solution. Okay. That would be what I would call my method 1. Okay. My method 2 would be doing it this way. So I want to find the derivative of this, which is just 3. I'm going to multiply it by the other term. Okay. Then I'm going to add the derivative of whatever that is, multiplied by the other term. Okay. And so that basically jumps straight here, yeah, without having to do that part. But to get the hang of it, I do recommend doing this method. It doesn't cost anything, only a few seconds, and so we get the same solution. Okay, let's do. So we've got first method. We've got u being 10x cubed and v being 3x minus 7. So u dash is 30x squared and v dash equals 3. We're going to multiply the terms together and add them. So 30x squared by this term plus 3 lots of that term. Okay. We could use the other method, so we could differentiate this and keep this term, and differentiate this and keep the next term. Alright, and that will give us the same solution. Alright, same thing. So we're going to let one term be 3x to the power 4 and the other term be 2x minus 7. Differentiate each part. And we're going to multiply and add. So y dash is 12x cubed 2x minus 7 plus 2 lots of 3x to the power of 4. And then you can expand and collect like terms. Okay. Alright. Some more examples. We're going to differentiate. We've still got 2 products. So if we want to differentiate that, it's going to be 12x to the power of 3. Okay. So I say, I didn't notice that there's 2's and squares here. So let's, what I'll do is I'll do my breaking it down. So u is 3x to the power of 4, and v will be x squared minus 1 to the power of 2. Alright. Leaving this for the time being, I notice that now this is a product on itself by itself. So what if I did w equals x squared minus 1, and I've used and let's say z equals w squared. Alright, if we want to differentiate that, we get 2x and we get z dash being 2w. Multiplying these together will give us our z dash. Okay, so that's going to be 4x 2x squared minus 1. Alright, moving this down, we get u dash equals 12x cubed. Alright, multiplying those two together, we will get dy over dx is 12x cubed x squared minus 1 all squared plus 4x times, well, 4 times 3 is 12 x to the power of 5 x squared minus 1. Okay. If we were to do the short method, okay, we would differentiate the first part. Keep the last term. Differentiate the inside bit, so that's, bring the power down and differentiate the inside bit, and multiply it by the other term. Okay. And still keep the term that we have, which will give you 2 for 12 x5 x squared minus 1, which is what we have. Okay, I tend to prefer this method because it's easy to forget to put in when we reduce the power of 1 down. Okay, so if we're using this method, we get x plus 1. Here I'd go v, we've got v equals 3x minus 2 to the power of 3. Let's split this up and basically do the chain rule by again in itself. So let's say w is 3x minus 2 and z equals w to the power of 3. Well, that's going to be 3. Okay, so z dash is the chain rule. Yeah. So 9 3x minus 2 to the power of 2, and this will be 1. Multiply them together, we get 3x minus 2 to the cube plus 9 lots of x plus 1, 3x minus 2 squared. Okay. And that's it. Thank you very much.